Greetings fellow collectors, I'm Reggie and we're back with another Banpresto slash Bandai Spirits unboxing and review video, and this time it's for Trunks of Dragonball GT. And just to let you know, this figure comes in two variants, the version A, which is this one, and the version B, which is the Super Saiyan version of Trunks. And before we get to the review, I just want to give a quick shout out to otakuhub.ph. Thank you again guys for this figure, and if you want to buy authentic toys and figures, you should check them out. Okay, without further ado, let's get to the review after this intro. Okay, here's the front of the box. One side, the back, the other side, the bottom, and the top. Of course, the sticker of authenticity lets you know that it's a licensed figure. Okay, let's unbox him now. Okay, here he is outside of the box. It comes in 4 pieces. Let's assemble him now. Okay, and here he is put together, where he stands at around 7.5 inches, and he weighs 158 grams. Okay, let's take a closer look at the figure. Here he is. Banpresto did a great job with this figure. The sculpt looks really fantastic. Looks almost exactly like its anime counterpart. The hair, look at that, hair details. The folds on his bandana, on his shirt. You got some shading here too, around his pants. Look at that. And at the back, you got some shading here too. And the coloring is accurate. Look at that. So cool. Okay, let's compare him to other price figures. And that's it for this unboxing and review video. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on all my new videos. And that's all. See you on my next video. Bye!